Are you looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that is just under 2,400 square feet, that is close to Perdido Key and the Navy base and also Pensacola? Well, today I'm going to tour a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that is in a golf course community and has a separate pool and also a whole home generator. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. This home is in Perdido Key Country Club Estates. It was built in 2004. It is 2,389 square feet. As you come into the front door, this is the LVP flooring. This flooring is throughout the house. So you have a separate family room off to the side, which is in the front of the house with the plantation shutters, the recessed lighting, and there's the living room, kitchen, and off to the other side of the foyer is the dining room. It is also in the front of the house. It has a plantation shutters. So we'll come around to the kitchen. It does have the LVP flooring. The kitchen does have the granite countertop. You have a separate wine fridge. Got the vaulted ceilings. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. The nook area, it can overlook the pool in the back with the waterfall. We'll take a walk out there as well. This is a gas range. You do have the pot filler. And through the kitchen, there is the laundry room that takes you to the 2-car garage. You got cabinets in the laundry room, a linen closet with the wood shelving, and off that is the primary bedroom. It is in the back of the house. Does have the separate access to the covered patio, and there's a view of the back of the backyard. The main bedroom does have the tray ceilings. The main bathroom has the tile and a double vanity. The separate tile shower, the tile does go all the way to the ceiling. There are 2 separate closets. This has got the LVP in it. And then a garden tub. And this is closet number 2 with the LVP. Through the main bedroom, we'll go back through the kitchen, living room area. There's a dining room in the front. This is 2,389 square feet. It does have the plantation shutters throughout the house, and also the LVP is throughout the house, and the tile in the bathrooms. This would be bedroom number 2. It is in the back of the house, and it also has the access to the backyard as well. It's got its separate door and the plantation shutters. And there's the closet. We'll go through the living room area back to bedrooms 3 and 4, and they do have a bathroom in the center. So bedroom number 3 has the LVP flooring. Got the plantation shutters on the windows, and then your closet. The ceiling fan. And then bathroom number 2 is a full bath. It does have the single vanity with the tile shower, the glass doors, and the tile does go to the ceiling. The plantation shutters on the window. And then bedroom number 4 is in the front of the house. The plantation shutters and the closet. We do have a walk-in closet. Now we'll take a walk out to the back. So that is the 4 bedrooms, 2 bath. Another view of the kitchen with the vaulted ceilings. And out to the back is the covered, more of a sunroom. Does have the windows and the fan out here as well. So we'll go out to the backyard. Have a beautiful backyard with a separate bar and pool with the hot tub. The hot tub does flow over into the pool. Have a separate shed for your pool supplies. You could put your gardening tools in there. With a nice size backyard. It is fenced in. You do have the whole home generator as well. And this home does have the sprinkler systems. One of the sprinkler heads there. And a beautiful landscape backyard. Separate areas. There is a fire pit. There's another area here with the heat lamp on those cool January days. There's a bar area, does have the TV as well. A sink out here. And here is the fire pit area. All fenced in. This is in the Perdido Key Country Club Estates. It is in the golf course area. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.